Hi, you might have noticed that you've just received an email that will have your last name, first name, and subfolder. At Prairie View, we're trying out a new system to make Deb's life easier. This is all about making Deb's life easier, so we'd like for all of you to participate in this. So you'll see you have your last name, first name, subfolder. You click on the subfolder, it will lead you right here. This is where we want you to put all of your new subplans right in this folder. So all you do is you can either, if you have documents made at home, you can upload them to Google Drive, or you can just click and create new subplans right in the folder. Part of the requirements, if I go to an example subplan, is that you have your name and the date of your subplans right in the title. So make sure you put your name and make sure you put the date on the subplans. Also, if you want Deb to print out these subplans, make sure you reshare this with Deb. So if I wanted her to print this out, I would type in her name right here. I'd share it with her so that she can print them out. Once again, this is where we want you at Prairie View to put subplans in order to make Deb's life as easy as possible. This is for her, not for us. So please make sure you're helping out Deb and the rest of the front office. If you have any other questions, please email Deb or email myself, Nick Alonzi. Have a great day.